If your Kindle is completely frozen and you can't use the screen, here's how to force restart it. Welcome back to Quick Assist. If this video helps, please consider liking, commenting, or subscribing. Alright guys, if it's like completely frozen and you tried restarting it and everything and it still glitches, this is what we're going to want to do. We're going to go ahead and get to the power button right here. And now we're going to hold it, but we're going to hold it down for 30 to 40 seconds. So follow along. Okay, so I'm pressing it down now. So it's going to take a little bit of time, but I'm holding it, and we're going to keep holding it past this menu right here. And we're going to hold it for 30 to 40 seconds. Ignore anything that appears on the screen, and there we go. Ignore anything that appears on the screen and keep holding until the screen turns off and the Kindle begins restarting. Okay, so we're going to hold it down, and we're just ignoring all this right now, and then we're going to keep holding it until it starts to reboot. If it doesn't automatically reboot, go ahead and let go after the 40 seconds. Go ahead and leave it alone and it will start to reboot. I'm going to go ahead and let it play so you guys can measure how long it takes and compare at home. This way you know how long it actually takes. And it should start rebooting just about now. There we go. All right. So it's now rebooting. Your Kindle will take a minute or two to restart. Once it finishes rebooting, you should be able to use it again. So we're gonna go ahead and allow it to reboot. Your Kindle will take a minute or two to restart. Once it finishes booting up, you should be able to use it again. If this video helped, please consider liking and subscribing before you go. Much appreciated. And we're right about there. Okay guys, so we have successfully forced restarted, and now hopefully your Kindle will no longer be frozen or glitching. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.